Once you have assigned quests to your students, they will be able to access those lessons within their BlocksmithXR Builder application. To access a quest that was assigned to you, first launch the Blocksmith Builder. If this is your first time using the Builder, click on the yellow Learn icon to complete a quick tutorial and learn the basic controls of BlocksmithXR. Then, in the top right, select the Login button and enter your username and password. In the bottom left, click on the Quest Hub icon. Select the quest you wish to load, then click Start Quest. Expand the quest window by clicking the 3 dots and dragging them upward. Quests provide step-by-step instruction and animation help links that guide students through the curriculum. They'll start with the most basic of concepts and work their way up to creating their own 3D games at their own pace. This allows instructors to assign different quests to different groups of students at the same time, tailoring the experience to student interests. Once you are ready to save or publish your experience, select File, Save, or click the green Save icon in the top left. Name the file and add a description, then select Save. To publish the game for other users to view or edit, select a location to publish the file to. You can also share the experience with specific users. Click Done when finished. Once students have begun progressing through their quests, as a teacher or admin, you can view their progress and access their published work. To view a student's progress, navigate to your domain's dashboard. Select Quests, then click on View Progress and Manage Users. Here, you'll see a quick view of all of your students' progress. For a detailed view of one student's progress, click on their username. To access the work that a student has published to your domain, click on their username from the Student Progress window. To view all of the work your entire class has published to your domain, select Student Creations on the left sidebar, then click Experiences. To load a saved experience into the Blocksmith Builder, select the green Load button at Startup or the yellow Load icon in the top left corner. This will allow you to pick up where you left off or view and edit another user's experience. For help with Blocksmith's functions and features, check out the rest of our help videos linked here and in the description. If you're interested in implementing Blocksmith into your classroom, check out PCS Edventures all-in-one package Discover Blocksmith 3D Coding and Design that comes with Blocksmith licenses, a printed instructor guide, VR equipment, and training to immerse yourself and your students into the world of VR and AR STEAM applications.